up, Speed fam? You know it. We back with another banger this week. Got my son in the back. Got the wifey holding the camera today. Say what's up to the Speed family, yo. We're just missing Dally. So today, like I stated in the previous video, we're gonna be installing some covers for these little vents right here. I've heard that your bumper pops off if you don't have them on. I've already made a stencil, and there's just a few things that we're gonna be needing. So, of course, your marker, your stencil, the plastic here. I'll post a link in the description below so that way you can see where I got it. And then I found this just laying around as a piece of like clear sheet. I marked up the first one already, but I needed to show y'all what it's like on the second. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cutting this out. I'll show you the scissors that we use to cut them out. And then I'm gonna use a stencil. Then we'll go ahead and mark up the stencil from where the holes need to be. And we'll make another vent just like this one. All right, let's get it done, y'all. All right, y'all, so we're gonna be drawing out the stencil here, or tracing the stencil, so that way we can cut this plastic here. So let's get to going. Did y'all catch that? All right, now we should have a mark out of where I'm gonna be cutting. These scissors right here are, I don't know what they're made of, but they get the job done. And it's pretty cool because you'll have some leftover pieces just for a case you give it the good old too much snip snip. Nah, I'm saying. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just clean it up, trim up the edges. All right, so there you have it. We have it all trimmed up. And now we can place the stencil on and mark out the parts where we're gonna be drilling. And then I'll show you the final product. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lay down the stencil. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I've laid out a few marks of where it's gonna go screwed in basically. All right, y'all. I've already cut out the plastic piece. If you can see here, I've marked some spots where the screws are gonna go. So you just line up those spots here. So that's where it's gonna go. Take out the good old handy dandy pick. We're gonna go ahead and mark it. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so they're very faint. I don't know if you can see them or not, but I can. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drill them out. So we're gonna go ahead and take our self-tappers. It's always good to have like a piece of wood underneath so you're not drilling into concrete. Two more holes. All right, so now we got our holes and we're gonna go ahead and line it up, see if it fits. Of course, you wanna make a pilot hole just to make it a little bit easier. All right, then what we can go ahead and do, start drilling in our cover. One hole at a time. All right, y'all, just installed them. Of course, there's gonna need to be a little bit of trimming, but it ain't bad at all. All right, y'all, quick little test fitment. Damn, that shit looks dope as hell. And it's just gonna be the intercooler now that's sticking out. Oh, that's gonna be the sauce, yo. Sheesh. All right, y'all, so we test fitted the bumper. Everything's looking real nice and they're sturdy. That ain't going nowhere. Basically what's next is we have a carbon fiber vent coming up. I think it's gonna go like about here. So let's go ahead and mask it off and then we'll go ahead and cut it out.
Are you nervous
Why?
to cut it?
No. Are you nervous for me?
No, you got it.
Life's about taking risks.
There's no going back.
Life's all about taking a risk. There ain't no reward if you don't take the risk, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I should get out the Dremel and do it or if I should just, what do you think? Dremel?
Dremel.
All right. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be using the Dremel. Cut it out, all right? We gonna cut it out. Oh, I'm kind of hyped for this. Shout out to my pops for hooking me up with all these extension cords. Putting them to good use, pops. Don't forget to wear your safety gear.
When you perform a task the wrong way, it is dangerous, unprofessional, and can be life-threatening.
All right, kids, don't try this at home. Ow! Damn. All right, y'all, we got the piece out of the bumper. Now, let's hope that the fitment was correct. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna trim up some of these edges in here, make sure they're all nice and smooth, because of course we don't want anything like that. And an X-Acto blade works perfect for it. Or a utility knife, whichever one you got. I ain't picky. All right, y'all, grand reveal here. Moment of truth. Oh, we in, baby. Damn! Damn, Speed fam. That looks hard, bro. Hard. All right, y'all. I got the two vents in on the bottom. Also got my carbon fiber vent up top. And that's pretty lined up. That's pretty straight on. That's pretty good. I want to show you up close the hardware that I used. Picked up some fasteners from Ace Hardware. They don't really match too well, so I do plan on getting some better matching gold so that way you can just stand out with the rest of the car. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go take a break. Weather started to turn to shit, getting all dusty, and we definitely don't want the dust up in the engine bay. So I'm gonna take a little break. I finished up the vents, finished up the carbon fiber vent. Startup is coming real soon. I've heard that you need to drain the gas tank if your car hasn't ran in a really long time. So let me know down in the comments of what I should do. Are we gonna be draining the gas tank on this, or do you think I'll be good to go? It's about 5-year-old gas, so yeah. As soon as the weather permits, I'll start recording again, but we're gonna go out to dinner. I'll catch you in a few hours, Speed fam. What up, y'all? It's day 2, back at the Speed fam factory. package just showed up. I wanted to go ahead and not open it yet and wait for y'all so that way I can show you exactly what we got going on for the Speed. Got a couple of lights. They finally came in today. Tried to overnight them from Japan. Didn't happen.
Overnight parts from Japan.
It's labeled from Japan. But let's go and get to the unboxing and let's show you what we got. All right, let's get to it. All right, fam. Let's go ahead and show you what we got here. It says Yojing turn signal. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down in the description below. And you can go ahead and pick yourself up a set if you got a Speed, all right? All right, y'all, moment of truth. Did we get the right ones? Ooh, I could see it peeking. I can see it peeking. And these are supposed to be direct fitment. And I actually got these on Amazon. So there's some turn signals.
Nice.
Ooh, damn. That looks sick. It's pretty dope. I like it a lot. Got the other one in the box. Let's go ahead and go over, show you where they're gonna be going. All right, y'all, so if you can see, this light is where this one will go. It's gonna replace it. I already took off the cap. I'll show you how to do the one on the other side. But yeah, it's gonna look sick as hell with those. Let's go ahead and install them and see how it looks. Looks to me like we just have a Phillips head here. So let's go ahead, take that one off. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. All right, so then we'll go ahead and come in here and we will install this bitch. Ooh, dude, that Amazon fitment though, Jesus. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I am so dumb. Idiota. God, I'm dumb. Okay, so we're having a little bit of issues. It's okay though, we'll get it. All right, so basically what I'm doing right now is I just got a file and I'm gonna go ahead and wear this down a little bit because it wasn't fitting inside of the hole, so she said. All right, so I got it on. Let's go ahead and give it a little connect here. Wow, fitment is cherry, dude. Cherry chingon, that's what I'll say. And I'll go ahead and we'll tuck this up in here, just down there like so. Damn. So good. All right, so on the other one I kind of attempted to do it a bunch of different ways. I started up here on the top. That didn't really work too well. I think where I finally ended up going first was like, yep, right there. And you pop out towards you and then you just slide along this piece. And just be very careful because you don't want to go break anything now. Okay. And there we go. God, it is very dirty up in there. All right, now I know I didn't do this to the other side, but I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just because I want it to be fresh in there. We have a show car coming along, baby. Simple Green is like some of the best stuff, man. Y'all ain't using it. I don't know what y'all using. All right, so once again, I'm gonna clip it. So I'm gonna take that one out. Don't lose the screw. All right, I just tucked the plug back in there. Go ahead and screw it back on. And once again, we pop this piece back on. All right. All right, right, so we got both lights installed. That Amazon fitment is really off the chisane though. Damn. Alrighty. That's pretty legit. I mean, we won't know how legit until we get it rolling, but you know, that's before y'all are coming along for the ride. You know what I'm saying? Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for another banger here at the Speed Fam Factory. We've got the carbon vent installed. We've also got the vent block offs. And remember, I'm gonna be posting everything that I used in the description so that way y'all can do it out there to your speeds as well. We've also got the sequential turn signals installed as well. So pretty excited to see how those are gonna end up looking. You know, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the grill, the smile, the vent, the sequential turn signals. I know that the sequential turn signals are pretty new in the community. Like I stated in the video, I got those off Amazon as well. As you can see, the fitment was pretty spot on, so I wouldn't worry about ordering these. If you had any doubt in your mind before, this should clear that up fully. So, you know, I definitely appreciate the love and support. I know I say that every single time, but I truly do. We're at 79 subscribers, I just checked. 21 away from the $50 giveaway gift card to wherever you choose. Definitely appreciate it. Come back next week for another episode. We're going to be installing the catch can, intake manifold. We're going to be getting all the vacuum lines ran. And I'm going to be needing a battery, fill it up with fresh fluids. So we are one step closer to the startup of the Speed 3. Stay tuned. Nothing but bangers are going to be produced once a week, Thursdays. Sometimes it does fluctuate Thursdays, Fridays, just depending on my schedule, how quick I am on the editing side. But you know, like I stated once again, appreciate y'all, appreciate the love and support. Stay tuned to the next time. Stay blessed, Speed Fam. We out.